Hi guys, this is the ROG 5 Model B, and we're just gonna go through its parts. So firstly, we have the recovery button, which is also called the reset button. We also have the power button. This is where now you can include your fan. And now, since it doesn't have the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth module installed, you can also have it here. Then we also now have we have the fan here where you can include it. And now it has the Rockchip RK3588, which is also a CPU, your RAM, which can go from 4 gig, 8 gigs, 6 gig, also a 16. And also now it has two HDMI outputs, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and you can also power it using a C-type cable. This is your audio and your input for your mic and also for your audio output. And you have also your your 4 USB cables port, and it also has the internet cable here. You can use it. And also what it does, it has the SPI no flash, which is also installed here. You can also now use an SSD card if you would like to use it here, if you don't mind purchasing one. And you can also use an SD card to boot it, maybe with Linux, Ubuntu, or Debian. So this is where you can include it. And yeah, this is the ROG 5 Model B.